Uwei brio belatip Kyrteng kum ujahul ali, na ke Jylla Rajasthan ula syak kemno haki Pulit ke Jylla, na Jaipur, hak alpulai terik ujemang arjar alpun rio, hadian ke jingtok kit bat ke jingwat bniah jongki Pulit, bola pindon kam bakla, bat Shna ke akaun Thok hak Kyrteng jong u Vivekanand Singh Rathore, IPS badeiru UDIG ke Western Range, haki san social media, bat Dawa Pisa, bat bon ki brio kila syak pingop, bat ngat hak jingtok utei runar. Nagalyang ki Pulit, kila register mukaddimah Nongpoh Police Station, bat pingat kendon hapo ke Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, bat ke Information Technology Act, bat ke jingtoken ke naya cekman.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.